They're not here.
And we are not there.
But Sebastian, where are we?
I don't know. Or I think I know. Slovenia is here. Let's take a look a bit closer. Slovenia is on the northern part of the Adriatic Sea. The neighbors are Italia on north, on the west, on north is Austria, on east is Hungary, and on south is Croatia. Our capital is Ljubljana, and it's located in the middle of our country. And the biggest cities of Slovenia are situated in the west part, Maribor and Celje, and one most of the beautiful city is situated near the coast, Koper and also Piran, who look like Venetia.
So the most common misconception or mistake about Slovenia is that we are Slovak Republic. That's wrong. On the top you can see original name, English name and the flag of Slovak Republic, and below you can see original name, English name and flag of Slovenia. You can see the difference.
Okay, let's take a look over some facts, how big is the country and how many Slovenians live there.
Oh, it seems so small.
It only measures about 20,000 square kilometers. For better picture, it's half smaller than Switzerland and has 1/3 of Swiss population. We need 2 Slovenians to get to 1 Switzerland, and we need 3 Slovenian populations to get 1 population of Switzerland.
So let's go through facts from history. 250,000 before the Christ, the first evidence of human habitation on the territory of the present-day Slovenia. On 14th century or 1918, all the Slovenian regions passed into the possession of the Habsburg. That was a very strong nation in their time, or monarchy. And in 1918, formation of the kingdoms of the Serb, Croats and Slovenes joined together in one federal republic called Yugoslavia.